This is Kim, and today I'm gonna be unboxing and testing this one-step hair dryer and styler hot air brush. I just bought this in Shopee. It's very cheap, I think around 350. Yes, all in all. The reviews are very nice. I'm gonna post the link to the shop or the link to the product. But yeah, nindot ang reviews, so hopefully I'm gonna like it. Nasa siya say there frizz-free blowouts and shine in up to half the time. So let's see. Frizz-free. So this is faster, less damage. The brush helps reduce moisture in hair for faster drying and less damage. It also reduces frizz static, which make the hair soft and shiny. And then lightweight design, ceramics, high quality, spread the heat for all the surface of the plate. Negative ions surround each hair strand, eliminate static and freeze, providing brighter. So ang nice niya is it has a 360 degree swivel cord, so you don't have to make become a problema sa cord when you do, because mag-turn pa na siya, and then if it's 360 swivel, then mo go with the floor ang cord. Tourmaline technology, what that? Is a unique crystal process that produces a high volume of negative ions when combined with infrared heat. This salon-tested technology provides less damage to hair cuticles, creating a smoother, silky final finish to your hair. So basically, na siya ions para di siya mo freeze up. So, shiny na yung hair. And then, flexible, tangle-free bristles with massaging ball tips help dry, smooth, and style hair in half the time, while the massaging ball tips are gentle to the scalp. Let's see if this is true. I'm gonna wash my hair first and go back, and let's try this. Hello, I'm back. I just finished washing my hair. Her hair giwash ako. And let's try and see if legit siya. So let's open. Pati day siya kay pag receive na ko, the box is already like this, murag ang usa ka side kay na fold. Pero for me it really doesn't matter kay ang sulod ay important, but some people would really be pissed if like the box is folded or damaged kay storage pud baya siya. So some people would still use the box for storage, so ibalik ra pud nila. So nice good. Actually, it's really a plus if the box comes in a good condition, but for me it's still okay. What's important is this one. Dako day siya. Dako day siya, guys. So it's very big for me because my hands are small. So if you see, it's sort of big. And then muna siyang 360 swivel. So the wire is, oh, it's not that long. Actually, it's not that long. Mas nice if long, but it's I think only 1 meter, 1.5 meters. So let's see. I'm gonna turn this on. So the switch is here. It has off, low, what's that? Middle and high. Now it's in off. Low, ako lang i-off. Low. Uy. It's actually I think in off na. wala na tunong ang pointer niya. It's between low and off, but I think it's in off. Let's see. See, it's off. So let's try the low. Oh! Suratan mo, guys. That's the low. Init siya. Na siya plastic smell, but ako ni siyang gi-expect because I was reading a lot of comments, and also a lot of comments there is sa start there really is a plastic smell, but it mawala ra siya over time. So ato lang sang trying. Ito low, middle, uy, low, middle, high. Ano to? Mas kusog lagi ang low kaysa sa middle. Low. Maybe. I don't know. Let's see. Mas init bitaw. Mas init ang, although masaba ang low. Let's turn it on. Middle lang. Middle. Ano to? So, wow! Init siya, guys. Pero ni-dry akong hair. So, ni-dry siya. Wait, magbuhas ako brush off. Nawa na yung plastic smell actually. Sakto dito ang comments. Sorry sa kubuan niyo. Where ako nakita niya clip. Uy, mainit ang iyang handle. But may tag okay ra siya, oy. Muna, nipili ra sad ko product na cheap pero nice ang kanang reviews kay sayang ang kwarta best. Low. This is low, ha? I can feel it. Dito kayo sa init. Kay hello man daw. Pero okay na siya po niya. Ay, nice ba yan siya? Nice siya, oh, tanawa. Let's try medium. Middle, I mean. Malinay mo siya, so, pero mas init siya. Nilong siya, pero mas init siya. Oh, guys, it's nice. See? Okay, compare siya diri, oh. Compare ang duha. Mas shiny din siya. Oh! Ako humanon. Wait lang. So, kita mo sa kanang iyahang effect, but I like it. I'm liking it. Nice. So, straight na siya and I like it. Yeah. For something na very cheap, very good na siya. I recommend this product. Pero wala ko sure itong low, middle, ug high nga nung masinay ang tingin sa middle. Pero middle akong gigamit. Okay naman siya. Doesn't really matter kay again the price. That's it. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope to see you more on my next vlogs.